were cold and my skies turned gray. You took my hand and you showed the way. The world felt heavy, but your love was light. You stayed beside me through the darkest nights, and I believe every word you said to me. You saw my cracks, my broken lights. Still you stayed through every climb. Your love stayed steady, pure and true. Now I'm stronger because of you. When I lost my way, you were still my guide, a gentle flame I could run inside. No judgment came, just your quiet care, and suddenly